Last week, after two big news, NFP and CPI, now all companies are saying one thing: rate hike has completely ended, and next step of your rate cut has begun. FOMC members are not saying about rate cut. Their comment before and after last week's CPI, but market think rate cut is coming soon. Based on that information, price will stay above 1931, and now there is low chance price go back to 1800, and my chart does not show gap near 1800. So market fully confirm and they are pricing for rate cut. But biggest story of last week was soft landing. And you all know soft landing is bearish for gold. That's why it tried last week but price could not break 2009 level. As long as market thinking of soft landing, price cannot break 2009. So your wave counting, first 5 impulsive wave, then WXY correction and price up from 1931. So as long as price trading above 1931, gold will stay up. Either it makes sideways correction or breakout 2009. And this wave counting is right and wrong. Market has proved, and it is up from low of wave Y. And same as I explained in last video, your most important resistance 1970 is broken. So this is your first big important support level. So daily time frame is showing strong rejection from that big support level 1934, and it is verified by CPI news. So if 2009 level breakout in upcoming time, then next big resistance 2050. This week you have inflation expectation, jobs claim and consumer sentiment. FOMC member have said clearly, because last time inflation expectation were very high, if those number goes down then that will be good sign for gold. But before these small news on Wednesday this month, you have most important news this week. On Tuesday, November 21, your FOMC minutes PDF. But all the people who are watching this video, what they will do with this information? Now every news company is saying July was your last hike, and every news company after CPI news last week is now saying March 2024 will be your first cut. While same information was written in previous FOMC minute. If nobody care what FOMC minute say, what information you get from Fed monetary policy communication tool, then again what you will do with this information this week? Because no one of you will read FOMC minute and no news company will tell you at least next 3 months. And last FOMC minute we say rate cut can happen in March 2024. When that PDF came, gold was trading below 1886. That vertical price action came after that PDF. And when the trade over, when they took profit, now they are saying that they think first cut will be in March 2024. So this is your biggest news this week. Either more correction this week, otherwise 2009 level can break out. But crowd does not care what FOMC minutes say, so this news is again useless for you. Because since last FOMC minutes say rate cut can be May 2024, which is 1920. Price could not go below 1931. But FOMC members are saying they think March 2024 rate cut is also possible. Since then, gold is flying and it is still above 1886 level. So if any information come which will drive gold price, let's say retest of 1934 or retest of 2050, what you will do next time? Gold weekly time frame, 2 red candlestick, 1 blue candlestick. So either next 2 candlestick make sideways correction or breakout above 2009. Gold monthly time frame, last week closing near 1989. This is your most important resistance on monthly time frame. After this level, price always shows some rejection. So if this week FOMC minute say something like rate cut in March 2024 or July was your last hike, which all news company are saying right now, then in upcoming time price could break out this triple top. But one thing you remember, who are trading on 15-minute time frame or maybe 5-minute time frame, the scalper, below this triple top is your soft landing. And last week soft landing was biggest story, that's why it could not break above 2009. If soft landing replaced by recession, because you have 3 economic indicators this week, then recession will break out this triple top. And after this recent 1989, there is only one resistance, 2075. And all the FOMO buying near $2,000 level is just because breakout of triple top. So recession means breakout of triple top. Soft landing means gold will do sideways correction. H1 time frame for scalper, the same wave counting which I explained before CPI news, and people who were predicting gap up on Monday, they first get new lower low on Monday, then price goes up. And first you have this trend line, now price testing this trend line 4th time, and your static resistance 1992. If this level break out, then buy retest. Below this level, more sideways correction. This is your bottom on H1 time frame 1931, and first big support level 1962, then 1975. But you have only one resistance, 1992. If this level break out, then you can expect slowly price go back to 2050 level. So above 1931 is your market pricing for rate cut. So more investors believe in rate cut, more gold will go up. And when will be first rate cut? What will be size of first rate cut? When market pricing complete, then same news company will tell you, who are telling right now, that first rate cut will be in March 2024. China president have said no hot war or no cold war. If they do opposite what they are saying, which all politicians do, then war in short term is always inflationary. Wait for next minimum 1 week, then everything will be clear. Is this new Cold War, or China will do same to same what they say last week?